Creative Synthesis Project by Amanda Carter. I learned how to teach in undergrad, but I did not learn about instructional technology or how to integrate it into the classroom. When I walked into my first classroom and there was a chalkboard, I was shocked. Who knew they even still made chalkboards? Then, as I started to recover from the shock of the ancient chalkboard, I noticed the smartboard and began to panic. I thought, what am I going to do with that? My cooperating teacher had a smartboard, but she taught math. Despite student teaching with a smartboard, I just did not know what to do. I became overwhelmed. My first teaching job was teaching 5th grade science to 3 classes and social studies to my homeroom. I had 2 major problems. Number 1, how to integrate in the smartboard and other technology resources. And number 2, how to make students like social studies. Every time I said social studies to my students, they would moan and groan and grumble. I always loved social studies, and it bothered me that my students disliked my favorite subject. Reading this book and answering questions was the entirety of students' experience with social studies. And after doing the lessons the way their previous teacher did for a week, I started to think I had some attention issues because I was having a hard time concentrating. And I was also starting to dislike social studies. I now knew what the problems were and decided to apply to graduate school at NCSU. I felt that working on my master's will be the key to answering the question, how can I integrate technology into the classroom to increase engagement, specifically in regards to social studies? I was most interested in social studies because it is my favorite but seemed to be students' least favorite subject. I also dreamt of teaching elementary school and secondary social studies, and never felt I should have had to choose between my dreams.